everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I thought that today I would bring you a video related to how to make your legs look beautiful for the spring and summer. Right now in San Antonio, it's already getting hot. I'm sure some of you are already thinking about the spring and skirts and shorts and dresses. And a problem that I always have are my legs. I have a lot of varicose veins. I do not have beautiful legs. They're white and pasty. And every spring I always think about what I can do to make my legs look a little bit better. And so I wanted to share those things with you because maybe some of you are facing the same challenges of white pasty legs, some varicose veins, and want to look more like movie stars, which is whenever I see the movie stars on the red carpet, their legs look so beautiful and they look highlighted and they look gorgeous. And I'm like, why can't I look like that? So I have gone on a mission to find the best products for my legs when it comes spring and summer so that I too can have movie star legs. Well, not really, because my legs just don't look like movie stars. It doesn't matter what I do, but I can certainly make them look better than doing nothing at all. So here are a few products that I wanted to share with you guys. The first of which is the easiest thing to do, which is this Jergens Natural Glow Lotion. This is just a regular lotion that you put on after your shower. And the nice thing about it is that every time you put it on, it adds a little bit of color to your legs and it makes you look tanned. So it's like a self-tanning lotion and it just is very subtle. It's not super dark. If you have darker skin, they do have a darker shade of this. The shade of this one is fair to medium, and they also have like a medium to dark. So all you do is get out of the shower, moisturize your legs with this, and they have a nice tan so that they're not pasty white. This is probably the thing that I do the most often. It has a lovely scent to it, and I think it's just the easiest thing to do because you're gonna be putting lotion on your legs anyway. So that is super simple, gives your legs a nice kind of tanned look, and they don't look super white and pasty. The next thing that you can do, you can either add this to your legs once they have a tan, like if you put this on after your shower. If the next day you are wearing shorts or a skirt or a dress and you want to have a little bit of shimmer on your legs, you can add this Coconut Fusion Hemp's Cream. I love this cream. It's just a beautiful cream that's got a nice shimmer to it. I'm going to show you a little bit on my hand so that you can see it is a very, very subtle shimmer, but when you get in the sun, it will shimmer and it's really pretty. Let's see if it'll pick that up. You see how it's just a really light, shimmery look. So that's just a really nice, inexpensive product that you can put on your legs. You can get this from Ulta. They have sales like on Hemp's products all the time, and it's just a few dollars. And it just adds like a nice shimmering sheen to your legs for a very inexpensive cost. So I really like that product. Another thing that you can do if you want a little bit more of a kind of shine or glow to your legs is you can add something like Cover FX drops to your lotion. Like if you're wearing regular lotion and you already have a tan and you just want your legs to have like a very like highlighted sheen. The shade that I have is Moonlight, and all you do is you take your regular lotion, you put a couple of pumps in your hand, and then you put a few drops of this in your hand, whatever you think you want in terms of, you know, highlighting that very front part of your shin. Add that to your cream, put it on your legs, and it will give your legs and especially your shins that beautiful sheen that we often see when we are looking at ladies on the red carpet. They have that gorgeous sheen right down the center of the front of their legs. This is a product that will do that for you. Another thing that you can do that's similar to this is get a really inexpensive highlighter. I have this one by Wet n Wild. This was like $6, and the shade is, what is the shade of this? It's the Loose Highlighting Powder Mega Glow, and I will list the shade of this below because I can't seem to find it right now. But it's just a really inexpensive powder, and I will show it to you. And you can just take this on a little brush and dust it. First put lotion on your legs, let that dry mostly, and then add, with a brush, add just a highlighter just to the front of your legs, and you will get this beautiful highlight, and it's so inexpensive, and it's just a gorgeous way to make the fronts of your legs look highlighted and beautiful and shiny and not dull, and it will add a little bit of shape to your leg. It's almost like contouring your leg because those shins are like a high point. They're the equivalent of a high point on your face, but on your legs. And so if you put something like this or like the Wet n Wild highlighting powder on your shins, it will give you that highlighted, beautiful look. Another product that I have been using in the last few weeks was actually sent to me by Ofra as a complimentary gift, and this is the Red Carpet Color. And what this is a beautiful, glowy lotion. And what you do is you just this is what it comes out like, looking like on your finger. And you just put that also on your legs, and it gives you that gorgeous, beautiful glow. Look at that, you guys. Like, how beautiful would that look on your legs for the summer? I think it is absolutely so stunning. I've used it a few times on my legs, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm super excited to use this summer. It's just very easy. Like, it's less steps than mixing something like this to your lotion. But if you already have this Cover FX drops, you know, then you don't need to go out and buy a new product. If you have it, just add it to your lotion. But if you're looking for just a gorgeous, really glowy product and you don't want to use a powder, or you don't want to use the FX color drops, this is an awesome option. And it comes in 3 shades. It came in this neutral shade, which is what I got, which was just like the neutral shade, like it's kind of got a slightly pinkish tint. And then they had like a light tan color and a darker tan color. So I think that I might even get the darker tan color as well, because I am interested to see if it will look like this product, but with more of a glow, which would be like amazing. So I think this is absolutely a gorgeous product. I will link it in the description box for you guys below. The next product I have is similar, but it is tinted and it does have more of a bronzy glow, and it's called this Body Bling. And this gives you that like Jennifer Lopez tanned, glowy look on your legs. Let me do a little swipe for you. All you do is you put this on your legs. Be sure to rub it on the tops of your feet as well if you're wearing sandals, so that your legs and your feet match each other. But it is this gorgeous bronzy tinted lotion. I wear this actually all the time in the summer, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and it gives your legs a little bit more of a bronzy glow than this one, which is more neutral. So it depends on what you're looking for. You may already have like a warmer toned skin and you don't need a bronzy glow. And so in that case, you could go for something like this that's just got the gorgeous highlighty feel, or you could get something like this that's got more of a bronzy and highlighty feel to it. So that is a great product, and I use it all the time. It's dropping all over my table. And I have used it. I've had this product for about 3 years. I use it every summer. Whenever I'm wearing a dress or a skirt and I'm going to a party, I will put that on my legs, and it will just make my legs look gorgeous. The last product that I wanted to share with you is this Wetmore Beauty cream, which is really a full coverage color cream for your legs. They call it a body covering perfector and illuminator, but you guys, this is much darker than this one, and it is much more full coverage than this one. So, and it doesn't have as much shimmer. This one is more shimmer, less coverage, and this is slightly of a darker tint. It is illuminating, but it's not shimmery, and it is full coverage. Once you put it on, it sets. It will not budge. It will not get on your clothes. It will not get on your dresses. You will have to take it off with makeup remover. Like I actually had to buy last summer some Pond's clean, like some Pond's, and rubbed it all over my legs in the shower to be able to get this off. This completely sets and it stays. So let me show you a little bit of this on my hand. This is, like I said, much more full coverage. It doesn't cover up varicose veins entirely. I can attest to that, but it's much more like a foundation, and you can see that when I rub it on my hand compared to the other ones. I took the other ones off my hand. This is much more of like a foundation for your legs, and it will give you a much fuller coverage. So if you have some light spots on your legs, this will cover it up more so than any of the other things that I've shown you. And like I said, it will set because it's like makeup, and it will not come off until you take it off with makeup remover. It is like fully waterproof, you guys. Like I just tried to use soap and water last summer and it would not come off. So this is like the real deal, like coverage cream for your legs. So that is a few of the different products that I wanted to show you guys that are just options that you can use to beautify and perfect your legs in the summer. Basically it's every option, you know, from glowy to shimmery to light coverage and shimmery to warm to neutral to full coverage. That is like the gamut of products that I've tried for my legs. All of those things will suit somebody, so I hope that one of those things suits what you are looking for to get your legs ready for the spring and summer months. If you found this video helpful or useful and you are new to this channel, I hope that you will subscribe, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day today to watch this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.